Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Cadillac XT5 Sport. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, panoramic sunroof, heads-up display, drive mode selector, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this two-tone interior with carbon fiber as well. You're going to have your power liftgate controls next to your Bose speaker sound system and storage with power locks, mirrors, and windows. It's a Performance Series sound system, and you got this carbon fiber throughout the vehicle. And you're going to have these beautiful leather heated seats, power adjustable, super nice. And left side will be your ventilation, and as well as your heads-up display. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, and as well as your forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and heated steering wheel. Again with that carbon fiber and voice recognition, as well as two paddle shifters right behind. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and as well as navigation there. Just use this dial, touchscreen, or you can use the dial on the bottom here. You go across, again, you can access Spotify, OnStar services, and as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree camera. Pretty sweet. Oops, there we go. That's that. And you're gonna have the climate controls on the bottom there, extra storage here, drive mode selector with a wireless charging pad, some extra storage. Save and finish on the passenger side, carbon fiber across. Speakers have been up top with the heads-up display, regular and digital rear view. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. So you have these black 20-inch wheels on Cooper Discover and Duramax tires with the paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles, luggage side rail up top, tinted rear glass in the back, debadged with the dual exhaust. And again, I'm sorry about the floor mats. You got the splitter with the 60/40 rear folding split seats with weather mats, and as well as extra wheel well storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. All right, onto the rear interior, get the paneling and storage next to the speaker, the power windows, and the carbon fiber Performance Series sound system. On the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear vents, rear USB ports, cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2021 Cadillac XT5 Sport, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as leather heated seats, panoramic sunroof, drive mode selector, lane keep assist, heads-up display, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.